Lamang.
Oo. Nag-aalis na ako ng gabi. Thank you.
Just a quick interview from the Manila Times.
Okay po.
Okay. So congratulations first of all.
Thank you so much.
So ilan ba yung awards maliban doon sa main?
Hindi ko na nabigyan.
Dami-dami.
Parang ano ata? 8? Hindi ko alam. 8 o siya?
This is your first time to join, no?
Yes po.
Kasi I've been covering this since 2017. So sabi ko nga, ba't hindi sumasali ang Baguio?
Ngayon po.
Ngayon, sumali kayo naman. Biglaan naman.
Yes po.
Sa ano, established kasi ang Baguio. Alam naman natin yan, di ba? Very clean.
Yes po.
Pero how does it feel now na validated yung programs niya?
It feels very humbling and we are very honored po, sir, na nare-recognize ang Baguio for our efforts. Nakikita yung efforts ng both executive and legislative departments, all the departments working together. Si Mayor is our inspiration, and syempre yung kanyang leadership is what drives us forward.
And the people of Baguio.
And of course, the people of Baguio, since kami po sa Baguio, we really believe in participatory governance. So lahat po ng activities namin, lahat ng programs namin po, we really consult the people. So we really owe it to them po.
Ano masasabi niyo in Ilocano?
Hindi pa ako marunong. Oh my God, sabi ako.
Sino marunong?
Damn.
Sila. Andiyan mo sa Oyo, nagiti taga Baguio.
Congratulations, Baguio City. Kastamad ka na kami. Titipaknotan.
Tabaknotan, very close.
Very close.
Pero, ang,
Sister City
yep,
Municipal.
saka, ang first time ang Baguio, first time ang Baknotan, sumali, no?
Yes.
Talaga.
And first time pa sa table na to.
O yan, magkasama kayo.
Sa table po.
Congratulations. Uy, uwi nyo naman ng Diaryo kasi,
Meron po kami, ayun.
kasi, actually, ako po yung editor ng Campus Press Education, pero galing ako ng lifestyle.